Hey, what's up guys, TechVid Kid here, and today we're going to be unboxing the all-new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm excited, let's get right into it after the intro. Now that we're back from the intro, let's go ahead and unbox it. So, on the bottom, as always, we have one of the classic apple green colored pull tabs. And, well, actually, no, we have two of them on the bottom in order to open up the box. And so on the side here, we can see it says right here, iPhone, the Apple logo, and then on the side and on the bottom, on the other side and then on the bottom, it's pretty much the same. So let's get into unboxing this. As you can see, this is the Sierra blue colored one. This is a 256GB iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and peel off the peelies. Now for the second one. There we go. So now that we've peeled those off, let's go ahead and flip the box over and open up the all-new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here it is. It looks really nice. As you can see right here, if we pull up this tab, we can lift the phone up and out of the box. Set it to the side here. Here we can see the little Designed by Apple in California thing. They have shrunk this over time. There's only one Apple sticker this time, and it doesn't seem as though there's a quick start guide anymore. So that's long gone now. The SIM tray eject tool is in there, and then we have a USB-C. We have a USB-C to Lightning cable. Set that back inside of the box. So let's go ahead and peel off the peely that's on the phone. Kind of don't want to touch the glass on the phone until I've taken the B-roll shots. Nice. And now we can go ahead and boot it up for the first time. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Hello to you too. Let's go ahead and pull up here, select English. United States. Ah, that hurts. That helps. What? No, this hurts, not helps. So yeah, guys. Now that we're done reviewing it, let's quickly go through the specs of the phone. This has the all-new Apple. This has Apple's new A15 Bionic chip. And the difference between this and the 12 is that the camera has cinematic mode now. We have a smaller notch, and the screen now also supports 120 Hertz refresh rate, which means that scrolling will look smoother on the screen, and it'll also be better for gaming. The phone has an upgraded battery with longer battery life, and it as always, since like, I don't know, 2019, does not come with a power brick or headphones. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!